Okay guys, let me show you how I make my low carb buttercream frosting. In a bowl, I add 150 grams of unsalted butter, half cup of powdered erythritol, and then I give that a good mix. When that's done, I scrape down the side of the bowl, and then it's time for me to add my cream cheese. I like to use the cream cheese block because it gives more structure to the buttercream. So I mix everything together until it is light and fluffy. And then you want to add your vanilla extract. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract here. And then I give it another good mix. And when I'm done, I like to use my spatula to paddle the buttercream. That done, it's time to put together my layered cake. My cakes are completely cool, so I cut them in halves, and then I now have 4 layers. I am using my acrylic disc as my base. I am placing a little bit of the buttercream on the base to hold the cake together so it doesn't slide around. And then to that, I'm going to add a dollop of my buttercream on that layer. I'm going to spread it, and then I'm going to put the next layer on, and I continue until all my layers are in. Okay, then the next thing, I'm going to put another dollop on the top of the cake, and then I'm going to spread it, and I'm going to spread buttercream on the sides as well using my angle spatula. I'm using my bench scraper here to help smooth things out as much as I can. Guys, this buttercream is really versatile. It can be colored and it can be piped. Guys, here's the finished product of my cake. It looks so beautiful and I can tell you it tastes really good. Let me know if you try this cake. Send me a picture on any of my social media and tag me. I'll be very happy to see that you tried it. Thank you for watching to the end. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.